This is apparently the world's first ever AI car stereo. It fits singled in cars and has a floating movable screen, as you can see in this video here. It does all sorts of really cool things, from graphic equalizers and all that type of things to cameras you can attach to it. You can do all sorts of really cool stuff with this device. It even has ChatGPT built in. From car diagnostics, GPS, you can even control lights in your car. I have been sent by a sponsor for review what is meant to be apparently the world's first AI car stereo, right? Today's video, we're going to be getting it out of the box, having a look at it, fitting it to the T4 and seeing what it's all about. It should be a good one. Let's get into it. Right, let's open this box up and have a look what we got. I've been sent this by a company called ATOTO, and it's the ATOTO X10. Apparently the retail price of this is like, they sent me a link saying it was like nearly like £900 or something, but anyway, look, that's the AI symbol, video, all this stuff. So it's Android. Let's just get into it, shall we? Let's open this up, see what I've been sent. By the looks of it, got a screen protector on already. Yeah, so that's it there, floating screen. But what you can actually do is you can undo these, make the screen go up and down, tilt it that way, in and out, and you can do all these different movements with it. Right, let's go and see if we can get this fitted to my T4 and see what it's all about, shall we?
2 hours later.
Okay, something you haven't just seen is that I've just spent an hour trying to get this to work, but there's no aerial. I mean, there is an aerial. I plugged the aerial in. I even went and bought one of these from Halfords to try and get it to work. Let's try again. Watch. It's all wired up as it should be. Let's have a look. Do we have... By the way, my mic just ran out, the battery died, so that's why we go micless right now. Let's have a look. Yes, I know. Let's see if we got radio. The most important thing for me is to have a radio when I'm listen to when I'm driving along. And right now, it's not recognising the area at all. Plugged it in, went and bought one of these from Halfords, nothing. See? It won't pick up anything. 98.2, let's try and... We all know 98.2 is Radio 1, so we know there's a powerful station there. Nothing. Just hissing. Not a thing. Right? So if I pull that out, and just to be sure, to be safe, I've gone and bought, I can get this old one out, I've gone and bought another one. Just in case that one was faulty, I've gone and bought another one from Halfords. Let's have a look. Nothing. I'm going to go indoors, just in case it's the old aerial in this T4. I'm going indoors, I'm going to go on Amazon and I'm going to buy me a plug-in aerial that I can stick on the windscreen, you know, a proper modern aerial that you'd have in a vehicle. I'm going to go and buy one of them. It should come tomorrow, and then we'll finish the video then, which will be now. And we'll see if it actually is this, or it's just my aerial. Cut to tomorrow. And just like that, it's the next day. A shitty rainy day. Right, this has just turned up. Let's see if this makes a difference, or if I can send the world's first faulty AI car stereo. This better work, I'm telling you, this better work, because otherwise this has been such a anticlimax. And nobody likes anticlimax, do they? Right, let's get this aerial. Ooh. Let's get this aerial right over there, right in there. Get it right over there. Oh, one over here, yeah. That's right. Let's try. Let's see. Let's pull this thing out. Pick up something. Pick up something. Oh. There's no area. There's no. Nothing. Let's try and manually get it to 98.2. It's nothing.
3 weeks later.
Okay, if any of you saw the video where I put the AI head unit in my van and then deleted the video, basically this is going to be a continuation from that. I'm using the first part of that video and then the second part, which I'm doing now, just because I've bought some parts that may fix the problem. So let's get back into it. Right, I've now gone and bought this. This is a car radio signal amplifier boost thing that plugs in. You've got to power it on and all that stuff. So if this doesn't fix the problem and give me radio on these AI units, I mean, I was sent 2 of these now. If this doesn't fix the problem, I don't know what will. So I'm going to jump into it, wire this up and see what happens. Okay, there we have it. I've wired that booster is now wired in to an ignition switch that comes on when I put the ignition on. Okay, stereo is all wired up, area was plugged into there, then this end of the aerial plugs into the stereo, creating a booster. According to lots of people, they said what you're missing is this stereo requires a boosted powered aerial. Okay, so let's plug it in, see what happens. Okay, here we go again. It now has a boosted aerial. Let's see what happens. Come on, come to life. Please give me radio. Mr. Super High Tech. Yes, I know, oil light beep thing. Let's see what happens. Tune. Don't skip past 98.2. I don't know what else. People, I don't know what else is the problem here. Let's try and manually tune 98.2. Still nothing. I don't know what else there is to try here. I really don't. Okay, been reset to factory settings. Okay, let's switch to radio. It's scanning for me. Actually, before we try the other stereo, I'm going to try that other digital aerial I bought. Let's try that, just so we can rule out. Just so we can rule out if it's my old aerial on this. I've got a digital one here. Okay. Not a thing. Okay, what I found here is, I can't really play music. I've downloaded this app, right? I've hotspotted this device to my phone, using my phone as a hotspot to get Wi-Fi on it, right? I've downloaded this app, and it's DAB radio. I can get every radio station known to man on here. I mean, look at this, and I just literally click on anything and it goes straight to that. But isn't that just going to use all the data on my phone, which is not what I want? But I'm going to fit this for now, and I'll have a play around with it and stuff. But yeah, it's not really what I wanted from this, but yeah, it'll do for now, and it's just I'll have to hotspot my phone to it every time I get into the vehicle, which is not really something, not really ideal, really, is it? But yeah, it is what it is. Okay, we've got it all going on here. I don't know what this is on here.
Hey peeps, this is just a quick update video because I've got
I got me on it.
And I put the chrome. What they do is they paint. This is what I've done. I've just painted my wheels.
Check it out.
I think it looks rather good.
Can I turn up the brightness?
This is what it looked like before. Black steels.
So, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bollocks. And see you in the next one.